Hey friends, have you heard of any real estate horror stories where someone had a horrible real estate experience? Trust me, I have heard them all. The truth is, all realtors are not created equally, and who you work with, it really matters. Hey guys, I'm Sonali Hutson. I'm a licensed realtor in Virginia and North Carolina, and in today's video, we're going to explore the essential qualities that you should look for in a realtor and how choosing the right realtor can make all the difference in your home buying journey. Now, I've prepared our top 7 tips for choosing a real estate agent to help you purchase your home. So let's get right into it. Now, buying a home is one of the most significant investments you'll ever make, and having the right realtor by your side can ensure a smooth and successful process. A great realtor will not only help you find the perfect home, but also guide you through the entire process, from negotiations to closings to making sure that your interests are protected every step of the way. A good realtor educates, advocates, and sometimes even has to tell you what you don't want to hear, all in the spirit of looking out for what's in your best interest. So let's get into the key qualities that you should look for when searching for a realtor. Number 1, experience and expertise. You want to find a realtor with a proven track record in the local market. Their experience will give them valuable insights into market trends, property values, and neighborhood characteristics. An experienced realtor will have a network of professionals, including inspectors, lenders, contractors, and other people to help you streamline the process. Many people choose the first realtor who calls them, but I want you to do your due diligence before you sign a contract. Number 2, a good realtor is going to have effective communication. Your realtor should be responsive, keeping you informed about new listings, changes in the market, and the status of your transactions. They should be able to explain complex terms and processes in a way that's easy for you to understand. If you can't reach your realtor when you need them, they're probably not the best real estate agent for you. Now, of course, you got to temper those expectations. No one's going to be available for you 24/7, but a good agent strives to return all calls within a specific time frame. So just discuss your expectations up front so that you're starting out that relationship on the right foot. Number 3, negotiation skills. A great realtor will advocate for your best interest, negotiating the best possible price and terms for your purchase. They should be skilled at navigating multiple offers and competitive situations. Here's a tip. Ask a potential realtor to tell you about a time they had to advocate for their client and what happened in the end. Their answer should give you a good idea if they're a good fit for you or not. Now, number 4, a good agent, a good real estate agent should be trustworthy and have integrity. Choose a realtor with a reputation for honesty and integrity. Check their reviews, ask for references, and consider their standing in the community. I usually say if there's smoke, there's usually fire. So avoid agents who display a lack of integrity. Friends, you need to feel confident that your realtor is acting in your best interest, and if you don't, not the best realtor for you. Number 5, they're going to have a solid understanding of the local market. Your realtor should be able to provide you with the ins and outs of the neighborhoods that you're interested in, including the schools, the amenities in a community, and future development plans. They should be able to provide you with a detailed market analysis that gives you an overview of the neighborhoods that you're interested in. Now, make no mistake, no one knows every single neighborhood in a market. That would be impossible. But is your realtor resourceful enough to help you find the information that you're looking for? If so, then you should be in good hands. Number 6, compatibility and personal connection. It's important to choose a realtor that you feel comfortable with and that you can trust. Buying a home can be an emotional process. There'll be ups and downs, but having a realtor who understands your needs and preferences is key. They should listen to your concerns, answer your questions, and be genuinely interested in helping you achieve your goals. Number 7, a great realtor should be able to think quickly and solve any issues that arise during the buying and selling process. They should be proactive in addressing potential problems and finding effective solutions. No 2 real estate transactions are alike. You need someone that thinks quickly on their feet, who values a win-win for all parties, and who knows how to get results. So as I said earlier, all real estate agents are not created equally. You may find someone that you connect with on a personal level, but the business connection is just not there. Let me give you an example of what I mean. I recently worked with a client who used her friend to help her sell her home. Well, unfortunately, her friend didn't have the experience or the tools in her belt to get it sold. She really cared and she really wanted to help, but that resulted in this client getting some really bad advice about their home that cost them thousands of dollars. Now, thankfully, this client was referred to us and we got it done, but unfortunately, the damage was already done on the front end. Now, I'm proud to say that we helped, and what's even better is they managed to salvage their friendship. It worked out in the end, but the journey to closing was met with challenge after challenge. So, let me tell you why you should work with Hudson Realty Group. My husband and I, we work, live, and play in the 757. We bring years of experience to the Hampton Roads market, helping clients from various backgrounds and financial situations. We prioritize clear and consistent communication, ensuring that you're always in the loop. Our faith-based approach means that we operate with integrity and honesty, treating everyone with kindness and respect. We're committed to building strong relationships with our clients, understanding their needs, and providing personalized service. We have excellent reviews, and we will continue to set a standard. The bottom line is this, friends. Choosing the right realtor is a crucial step in your home buying journey. By selecting a realtor with the right experience, the right skills, interpersonal qualities, and more, you'll be well on your way to finding your dream home with confidence and with ease. Now, hopefully this video helps you in your search for the perfect realtor. If you're ready to start your home buying journey, just connect with us today. We're here to guide you every step of the way. And listen, friends, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who you know who's looking to buy a home and who may be struggling with trying to find a realtor. Be sure to subscribe to our channel called Hampton Roads Real Estate for more valuable insights and tips on the home buying and selling process. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. I'll see you on the next video where we're going to talk about showing etiquette and everything you need to know before scheduling a property tour. God bless you.